Hey everyone, welcome to Click and Edit. Today I'm going to show you how to create an outline around your subject in Photoshop. So here I am on my Photoshop screen. Let's create a new document with 1080 into 1920 pixels. Create. Now I will firstly add some gradient into this background. Okay, this looks fine. I want this to be a little darker, so I will create a curves adjustment layer and make it a little dark and add more contrast into it. Now I will bring in my subject layer. So this is my subject. Okay. Now go to quick selection tool and press select subject. So it has created a pretty good selection. So we will mask it. Now press Ctrl J to create a copy of this layer. Now go to the bottom layer and again go to select subject. Now go to select, modify, expand and expand it by 6 pixels. Now with this layer selected, create a solid color adjustment layer in any color you want. White looks good. So that's how you create an outline around your subject in Photoshop.